Hi, this is Darryl Peterson with Micromeasurements, and I'd like to introduce you to a protective coating called M-Coat C. M-Coat C is a Dow Corning product, 3140, that we take and add solvent to it so that you can apply it with a brush cap applicator. The nice thing about using an RTV silicone rubber is that these coatings have a very high operating temperature, typically upwards around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The other nice thing about an RTV is that it's a very soft material even when it's fully cured. So if you're putting strain gauges on parts that are very thin, or you're building a load cell or a transducer and you're concerned about changing the properties or the sensitivity of that device, you might consider using M-Coat C as your coating over top of the gauges. In general, it's a pretty good mechanical barrier. From a moisture protection standpoint, it does okay. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but it forms kind of a tough, rubbery, thin layer over top of the gauges, helps to hold down your lead wires and helps to provide some protection. And again, very commonly used on transducers and also commonly used in stress analysis applications where the temperatures start to get up above about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If you'd like to find out more about M-Coat C or any other protective coating, take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com.